Alright guys, I made it. Made it to my next spot. I'm at this barbecue joint called Hard Eight. I'm gonna try some of their barbecue and see how things is. And I'm gonna tell you if it's good, if it's bad. I don't know. We just gonna have some fun and eat me some barbecue. You know, breakfast turned out pretty good this morning. So now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna try some of this barbecue. But I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. So we're gonna see what they got. Maybe get some brisket. I don't know. Maybe get some tri-tail. You know, I don't know. Maybe get some ribs. I don't know what we don't know yet. We're gonna see. We're gonna go check it out. It's pretty nice. It's nice around here, so we're gonna see. All right, that's what we're gonna do.
How y'all doing?
So I got a question for you. What time do you start barbecuing?
We start at 6 a.m.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Taurus, like the zodiac sign.
What's up?
We're good. How are you?
All right.
Right.
What I'm working with?
Bro, everything's pretty good, man. Look at this brisket, fresh brisket. The best brisket right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a half a pound of that.
Half pound of brisket. Okay, give me 1 second. They're gonna clean the fresh brisket for you guys.
All right.
All right, listen, what you got to do? Go ahead and do what you got to do. Yeah, man. Good. Come on. What you gonna do? You gonna get off the phone?
Are you gonna do it for you?
I'm gonna put the 12 chicken.
So I'm gonna order me some brisket, some jalapeno sauces, jalapeno grappled bacon. That looks good. Jalapeno grappled bacon look good.
Hello there.
Yeah, let me get half a pound.
Brisket?
Yeah, brisket. Yeah, half a pound of brisket is good.
Okay, you can talk now.
What else for you, sir?
And let me get the jalapeno, give me 2 of them.
Chicken shrimp.
Shrimp. 2 of the shrimp on that. Give me 2 corns.
Butter and roasted, or 1 and 1. They're both really good. You can't go wrong.
1 and 1. 1 and 1 on that. We're gonna do 1 and 1 on that. And let me get some of the smoked sausage right there.
You got spicy or regular?
Spicy.
Spicy is the best.
Give me a little bit. I don't want a lot of that. So what's the least I can get? That's good right there. That's pretty good. No, brother. Oh man. So what else? What else y'all got over here?
Ribs are really good.
The ribs pretty good, sir.
What?
I got pulled pork shoulder, I got turkey, ham, biryani.
What I got over there? Jet.
You got a little bit of popper, some sausage, and the brisket. You can't go wrong with some ribs. If you like some steak, sirloin is also really good.
Give me a little small stuff.
You get the burn end.
How many would you like? 2?
Yeah, two would be good.
Alright.
That'll be good on there. And I think that's about it.
Awesome, sir. As you go down the line, you're going to find more stuff.
Okay, all right, cool. All right,
Well, enjoy.
thanks. All right, thank you. Okay, all right, thank you.
Hi there. Good. How are you?
Bread? No bread. So barbecue sauce right here. Potato salad. Potato salad right here. We ain't come here to do no salads. What else? Don't put anything? I don't want no dessert now. Yeah. So I'm put all this right here. Okay. Hey, how you doing? I'm alright.
Can I see the ticket on the tray, please?
Ticket on a tray. Oh, there you go. I'm looking around like, what ticket? We're gonna do water. That's it.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay. Got my food, guys. You know, everything looks good. I got beans right here. My beans is popping. Beans popping over here. The beans, you taste that. I got brisket. Look at this. Let me show y'all this brisket. Look how this brisket is falling off. I can't even pick it up. Look, I can't pick this up. Look, let me show you this. Let me show you this brisket. Look at that. Look at that. It's falling apart. Wow. Wow. And then they got me some sauce over here. You know, a little barbecue sauce to go with that. Wow. Nah, look at that. That brisket looks good. Also, I got these, man, shrimp, jalapeno, wrapped with bacon. These look good. That look good right there, don't it? The shrimp wrapped with bacon, with jalapeno in there. It's jalapeno up in the joint now. There's a jalapeno up in there. Also, I got me some ribs. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that bark on it right there. Look, see that line right there? That's how you know it's been smoked. Been smoked real good. Got that, you know, that brown sugar rub on it. That looks good right there. Then I got sauce for it if I want to eat the sauce. I got that. Also, I got the sauces. This sausage right here, this is spicy. This is spicy sausage right here. This looks good, don't it? Look at that. Look at wow. I'm gonna try this one out. Then I got two kind of corns I wanted to work with. I got the butter corn. Look at that smoke coming off of there. That smoke coming off of there. The butter corn, and then I just got a nice roasted corn. Nice roasted one. You know, that's gonna be good too. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna tear that one up. I'll take that off in a minute. Take that off. That's gonna be really nice. Also, I got potato salad. I don't know how good the potato salad is, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna try all this food right here. Let me try this first. Potato salad, okay. Not bad. Not bad. Like I said, the beans, they got meat in it, you know. Nice pinto beans. Tastes good. Tastes good flavor. I'm gonna try this. The rib. Try it out. Look at that. Nice and juicy too. That's perfect. Wow. That's good. Not bad. That fall off? That fell off. Great. Look at that. Look at that. How does it fall out right like that? Wow. That's good. The flavor is really good. Got the brown sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, the garlic, onion powder. I can taste that in there. I can taste all the good stuff in there. What else I taste in there? A little pepper flake. A little pepper flake in there. And a little bit, I think a little bit of chili powder in there. I can hit it all. I know that. I can hit everything on here. I can hit it all. I'm gonna try the sauces. So I'm gonna try this one out, see how this tastes. Dip it in there a little bit, see. Nothing. Yeah, it's good. Nice and spicy. Got a nice little kick to it. Smoked sauces with peppers, chili flakes. Got the chili peppers in there. Look at what else I'm tasting out here. Yeah, man, that's good. got some kind of herb in there. Look at that. Little seeds. This tastes good. This is good right here. It's real. The sauce is really good. I like it with the barbecue. That's good. That's not. That's nice. Yeah. Why not? Let me find corn. Try the buttercorn first. Mmm. 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 Wow. This joint. Oh. That's the best one I had. Best one I had this year. I tell you what. I wasn't playing with it. I said it was a little spicy. Guys, it's working me. That's oh no. Woo! And I didn't get no water, nothing. I gotta be tortured right now, but woo, man, that's hot. That sausage, it comes late, weird, way late, and it ain't fast. It just maybe I'll try this corn right here. Try this one. But I'll tell you what, the star of the show when it comes to the corn is this one. This sucker is the star of the show. It's been soaking in butter, and it's wild. I mean, you can let me do something. I'm gonna show y'all something. Well, I think I'm playing with y'all. Watch this. I don't have to do anything. They just fall off. Look at that. Boom. Boom. That's how you can tell how soft that corn is. It just fall off. It's just fall off. That's really cool. So, man, they get back some potato salad because my mouth is eating. Them sauces ain't no joke. That smoked sausage, the spicy one. I know y'all wondering why do I always get something spicy when I can't really eat too much spice. I don't know. Maybe I'm the glutton for punishment. I think that's what it is. I'm glutton for punishment. So I got the jalapeno. Now I'm feeling a little bit bad now because my mouth is hot, and I'm afraid to eat this joint and burn it up more. Hold on, they got onions on it too. Onions with it too, man. Jalapeno, onions, bacon, and they smoke it. Let me go try that. Wow, that is good. Wow. Man, let me tell you guys, right now I'm in Coppell, Texas, and we're at Hard Eight, trying out their barbecue, and I'll tell you what, I really can't complain about nothing, but they shouldn't say spicy with the sausage, they should say hot sausage. It ain't spicy, it's hot. So I'm just letting you guys know where I'm at right now. So we got, I had a nice breakfast this morning. I'm gonna finish up my lunch and I'm gonna knock everything out. And guys, also like I said, you know where I'm coming from. If you like what you see, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to know where I'm gonna be at next, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm creeping along, and hit that bell at the bottom, and it'll tell you where I'm creeping along at, where I'm gonna be at. Because I don't know where I'm gonna be at tomorrow. I mean, like I said, I may be in New Orleans, I may be in, I don't know. I have no idea. It's just we on the move. We are on the move, and guys, hey, I'll tell you what, stay true to your food, guys. And peace out. All right.